It's Chunty time, my friend, and I'm showing you how to make a round cushion using nothing but Chunty thread and your hands. Whip out your 20-meter Chunty ball and shake that bad boy out. Once your Chunty thread is unraveled and spaghettied all over the place, find one end. This is your tail. As for the rest of your Chunty, we'll refer to that as running yarn. From the tail, grab about 2 feet of your Chunty thread and create a circle on a flat surface. Keep spinning and layering 8 circles on top of each other. They don't have to be perfect. We're making the stuffing. This is what's going to make your Chunty chunky. Now, above your circles, grab your running yarn, twist it once on top of itself to create a loop, pull the running yarn through that loop to create a slipknot. Tighten and adjust, place your right hand through your slipknot and make it snug as a bud on your wrist. With your slipknot on your right wrist, grab those circles from where the slipknot ends. Pull the running yarn underneath the circles, then up and over to create a new loop. Place that loop on your right wrist too, then pull your running yarn from the outside of your circles through your 2 loops to create 1 loop. That is some Chunty magic. Now that you're back to 1 loop, let's repeat. Grab the circles, pull that running yarn through the inside, then up and over onto your right wrist. Pull the running yarn from the outside of your circles through your 2 loops to create 1. Keep repeating. Oh, and by the way, those threads there, those are your stitches. The loops that you're creating here, those make up your chain. Tidy your Chunty mess as you go by lifting those circles and pushing your stitches together. Just keep repeating these steps. Pick it up, pull it under and through, place that second loop on your wrist, and pull the running yarn from outside of your circles through the 2 loops. Easy peasy. We'll do this all the way around the cushion until our stitches and chain cover our base completely. You got this. It's all stitches and chains. Once your base is completely covered and you reach your last loop, pull the last little bit of your running yarn all the way through that final loop. Pull that chain, push it back, and reveal more of your stitches. Now clean up your messy Chunty. Your Chunty wants to feel mighty fine after all this TLC. If you've still got a bunch of yarn flopping about, don't worry, I got you. Flip the cushion over and sneak that excess Chunty through the stitches and threads on the back side. Voila, you're done. Now find its rightful place in your home and tag the heck out of us on socials. Oh, and remember, you can wash your chunky thread and use the yarn over and over again. Hope you enjoyed taking the yawn out of yarn.